Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is well. Alright guys, so we do have these full spoilers for the Ipsy August Glam Bag. Now this is the standard subscription bag, and now there are too many products to name, so I'm just going to put the products up here. But the first picture that you've seen was the bag. I think is absolutely gorgeous. Love just the plain black bag. I love it. And if you don't know about Ipsy, it is a beauty subscription for $10 a month. You will get 5 deluxe sample sized items and a really cute bag. You could upgrade to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus Box, where you will get 5 full-sized items worth over $120. And they also have an add-on feature where you can add on up to 3 items every month. The deluxe sample-sized items are $3, or you could get full-sized items for $12. And I do have the add-on spoiler video linked below if you want to go check out the add-ons, and they are only available today. And as well as the other spoilers, I will have those linked down below, which is going to be for the August Glam Bag Plus box. Now we have these full spoilers to those as well. And I know a lot of people already know what they're getting. So if you would comment below what items you were getting, what items you was wanting. And Ipsy is also linked below if you do want to go check them out. And Ipsy is one of my favorite beauty subscription boxes. It's one of the originals out, so I do really enjoy this subscription. It's actually the only one that I get now because it is a little bit cheaper than the rest. But anyways, guys, tell me what you got in your bag, what you wanted to get, and if you even get Ipsy. If you want to go check them out, again, they are linked below. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. And then rate the video for me, guys. If you would, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Now, I also have some spoilers for the Ipsy September bag. They are also linked below if you want to go check those out.